Hey everyone, it's Mack from laughingplace.com, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Marvel Stunt Squad toys from Hasbro. This is a new line of Marvel toys geared towards younger Marvel fans. And I do want to say right off the top here that Hasbro sent us these products for free to check them out and to share them with you guys to see what this new collection of toys is all about. You can see this box here. We've got Captain America, we've got Iron Man, Hulk, Spider-Man, Black Panther, Sam Wilson's Captain America, and then Miles Morales, the Spider-Man. So let's open this box up and take a look at what we got. Okay, so first let me explain. Marvel Stunt Squad is a new line of toys that lets you aim and launch your favorite Marvel superheroes at some of the most iconic Marvel villains. In this box here, we got 4 different play sets. We got the Spider-Man and Venom playset. We got the Captain America versus the Red Skull playset. We got Black Panther and Iron Man versus Ultron. And then finally, the big one behind here, we got Spider-Man versus Green Goblin. This is the Crane Smash playset. So I'm excited to open these up and try them out. Okay, as you can see, there is some assembly required here. These are a little bit smaller than I was expecting based on the size of the packaging, but that's probably a good thing because I was a little bit worried about launching these characters around my house and how big they might be. But so I really like the little characters. See, they're like little rubber figures here. They're not posable or anything, so it's a very simple figure. You can see Spider-Man up close here. And then there's Venom as well. So the idea is you're launching I really wore the right shirt for this today. I didn't even realize there would be a Spider-Man and Venom in here. You're launching the heroes at the villains, or it even says, like, see how many cups you can knock down, see how far or high you can launch them to. So there's all sorts of different games and challenges you can play with these. There is a little instruction booklet here that comes with it, so you can piece together, exactly the way you're supposed to. It even has little stickers that you put on your set as well. So let me go ahead and build this and we'll test it out. Okay, so I was wrong. It does not come with an instruction booklet. Luckily, there's like 4 very small pieces that are very easy to put together. They don't really snap together or anything like that, so they are just kind of holding in place. But it's very simple to put everything together. Everything obviously, very simplistic, very small. So easy enough. Now, you have basically 2 different setups here. So you got your villain setup, you got your hero setup. So Venom has his little stand here. And again, you can see it's not really, once you have him stood up on there, it's not really meant for moving around, but you got a nice little display. And then we've got our hero and our hero launcher here. I don't know if that's the official term, but again, there's no like instruction booklet. So that's what I'm gonna go with, hero launcher. And they do have, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this here, but there's a little spot, there you go, you can see on Spider-Man's back. And then on the launcher here, you'll hook him onto that. And it actually is fairly easy to go ahead and set him up. And then you just pull back and let him fly. All right, let's try and see if I can knock Venom down here with Spider-Man. Oh, this is more difficult than it seems. Nope. Let's try again. Nope. 3rd time's the charm. Yeah, got him. All right. So as you can see, you got to kind of get the hang of it. But it's a lot of fun once you actually get everything set up and start shooting or start launching Spider-Man at Venom. Let's try our next playset. Okay, this is the Captain America versus Red Skull playset. You've got all your pieces here. You got your hero launcher, the villain base setup. Of course, you've got your stickers, and then we've got the 2 figures as well. There's the Red Skull, and then here is your Sam Wilson Captain America. I really like these rubber figures. It'd be great for just a display. I feel like collectors will be really into these as well. But let's use these toys for what they're meant for and go ahead and get these guys set up and start launching Captain America. Okay, so now we have the Red Skull's little tank set up. I love that here with this Captain America shield behind it. And then of course you got the launcher, the 2 figures. I did notice that on the packaging, this top flap here does sort of give you instructions on how the game is supposed to work. So you're supposed to launch your hero and hit the target. So that in this case, the Captain America shield behind the tank, and that kind of explodes the whole thing. That's why things don't really snap together, and it kind of is just made to just break apart. So when we launched Spider-Man a few minutes ago, it kind of succeeded. It knocked Venom over at least, but didn't really hit the target. Let's try and do that this time. All right, let's see if I can have better luck with Captain America here. Oh, even just setting up, it's such a challenge. Oh, nice. There we go. So that's what you're supposed to get. You're supposed to get the whole explosion, everything falls apart.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Okay, now we are moving into the bigger play sets here. This is the Stunt Squad Villain Knockdown, Black Panther and Iron Man versus Ultron playset. As you can see, a few more pieces to this one. It's definitely a much bigger setup. Ultron, obviously, a much bigger figure. So you got this massive Ultron compared to your Iron Man. Iron Man blue armor is pretty cool. And then we've got our Black Panther figure here as well. So let me go ahead and set this up. Okay, so again, a much more elaborate setup on this bigger play set here. Thankfully, this one did come with an instruction booklet because there are a few more pieces that do actually snap together on this one. And again, much bigger setup for Ultron here. 2 targets on this one. So it'll be interesting. You got the 2 figures, you got the 2 targets. I don't know that this one actually does anything, but I guess we will find out. We'll see if I can hit either one of them. All right, let's try and take out Ultron. We're gonna shoot Iron Man first. And try and aim for that top one. I don't know if that's going to make a difference. Oh. Well, I hit Ultron. Let's try that again. All right, let's try with Black Panther now. Nope. Hit Ultron again. I mean, that's got to count for something, right? One more time with Black Panther here. Let's see if we can hit that front target there. Oh, that wasn't even close. All right, here goes Iron Man again. Yeah, there we go. Front target. That's the one to go for. And finally, we have our biggest play set yet. This is the Spider-Man versus Green Goblin Crane Smash play set. Obviously, much more elaborate even than the last one, the Ultron one that we just did. So this is going to be a little bit more work. We do have an instruction booklet for this one as well, thankfully. And then we've got our pieces for the play set. You've got your stickers to finish off the play set, and we've got our 2 figures. So here is the Green Goblin. And then you've got Spider-Man, but check this out. So this is the Spider-Man that comes with this play set, and here is the Spider-Man that we saw before. So it is a different suit on the 2 different Spider-Mans. Spider-Man? Spider-Man? No, that's a different character. But anyway, it's cool to see that this is sort of like the suit you see at the end of Spider-Man No Way Home, that sort of shiny looking suit. So pretty cool that they mixed that up and didn't just give you the same exact figure. Change it up a little bit. Again, pretty exciting for collectors. But let's put this together and start launching Spider-Man again. All right, so here is the completed Crane Smash playset. As you can see, like when you piece it all together, you realize it is the Goblin flying outside of Oscorp Tower. A little bit more complicated to piece together. Obviously, there's more pieces to this one. I will say most of the work was really just putting stickers on it. So that's, if you could easily skip that step if you wanted to, but it does complete the look. This one does come with more accessory pieces. So you've got these like little barrels. So it kind of just adds to the fun, just adds to the whole scene, and should really make a mess when you hit that target and blow the whole thing up. So let's try and do that. All right, so we got our target right here. I got Spider-Man on his launcher here. This might be a little bit more difficult because the target's very high. Let's see if I can get this to work. All right, attempt number 2. Awesome. So this has like a little spring-loaded trigger here. So when you hit the target, the crane spins all around and just knocks everything off of Oscorp Tower. That was really cool. All right, so that is Marvel Stunt Squad. I have no idea what happened to my Green Goblin figure in that explosion. He's around here somewhere. I just got to track him down. But that was a lot of fun. These are really, really cool, fun little toys. I think great for a young audience, whether you're setting up the whole play set or even just launching your favorite heroes around, you know, the yard, the house, whatever. This will be a lot of fun for a young audience, but also really cool for collectors. Like I said, these figures are so cool, like really fun little thing to display. Really cool new addition from Hasbro. And thank you again to Hasbro for sending us out these products for free to test them out and to share with you guys just how much fun the Marvel Stunt Squad playsets are. So thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to see more like it. And we'll see you around. Bye everyone.